Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with some news on the economy. Inflation for December 2022 to December 2023 was 6.9%. This was outside of the Bank of Jamaica's 4 to 6% target range. The performance brought inflation for the calendar year January to December 2023 to 7.5%. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, says the point-to-point increase in the cost of goods and services up to December was linked to an 8.7% rise in the cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages. Over the year, transport costs went up by 10.6%, while restaurants and accommodation services increased by 9.4%. Now, compared to November 2023, the cost of goods and services rose 0.5% in December. Statin says this was mainly due to an upward movement of 2.5% in the index for the housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels division. And inflation relating to education services saw a double-digit rise for the 12 months to November. Statin says consumers paid 14.2% more for these services compared to November 2022. Now, looking at the month-over-month movement, inflation in the education division rose by 0.8% from October 2023. Now, the movement was linked to increases in the fees for the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate Examinations, CSEC. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $156.16. That's after an intervention by the Bank of Jamaica today, selling $30 million to the market. The going rate for the Canadian dollar is $116.62. The pound is selling for $198.11, while the euro is trading for $173.54. And to the stock market, the JSE index lost 874 points today, while the junior market index declined by 54 points. Among the winners were AMG Packaging and Paper Company, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Siboney Group, Jetcon Corporation, and Pulse Investments. The losers included Caribbean Cream, Iron Rock Insurance Company, ISP Finance Services, Key Insurance Company, and Stanley Motor. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.